So today I've made a picnic area with clay. So over here there's a girl, she's eating sandwiches, and then over here there's another little girl, she's telling her sister like a story, and then they're enjoying in the nature. There's like then over here there's a boy, and the tree which is dried up, and a little puddle. Yeah, that's all. So comment down what I should make next. Bye.